8 Steps to a Life Without Weakness. If you're tired of viewing yourself as weak, there's one cold, hard fact you must acknowledge. Without change and introspection, you'll never be able to overcome that. It's about time you disrupt that notion. You are not weak. You can amount to more than this. It starts with these 8 steps. 1. Embrace change. Sometimes it's just not working anymore. You can't expect to do the same thing over and over again, but yield different results. Change is the only constant in this world. So, to rid your life of weakness, you need to make some changes. 2. Twist around your apology mentality. It's okay to apologize. Sometimes you need to. But the line is drawn when you apologize too often, or when you apologize when it's not your turn to say sorry. This makes you come off as a weak person, and over time, you'll believe that you are weak. 3. Take a step. It's like a baby taking their first steps. You won't be able to walk unless you start with a few baby steps. Whatever it is you're working toward, set aside some time to take the first step. Before you know it, those baby steps will turn into leaps. 4. Put the ball in your own court. No one can make personal changes for you. Only you can do that. When you get the itch to make a change and work on your weaknesses, put the ball in your court and go for it. 5. Stop being defensive. Do you ever feel like you get ultra defensive when someone criticizes you or calls you out for something? That's a sign of weakness. What that really means is you're insecure about something else, and rather than defend it and avoid it, you should confront it and work towards improving it. 6. Work on positive self-talk. There are 2 forms of self-talk, positive and negative. You choose which way you want to address yourself. If you're going to be a person of strength, choose positive self-talk. 7. Get out of the comfort zone. If you keep doing the same thing all the time, you'll never be able to grow. Remember those baby steps we talked about? Take a few baby steps outside of your comfort zone. With time, you'll be able to expand the boundaries of your comfort zone so that you can soar. 8. Take it from the experts. Countless other people have been through this before. You don't have to work on yourself and keep it all to yourself. This is a self-project, but you can seek help from others. Read books, talk to your parents, consult a therapist. Do whatever it takes to get advice and encouragement from people you trust.